In this video, you will see how to delete alternate blank rows in Excel. If you have data that has blank rows in between, you don't need to select it one by one and delete it like this. Instead, what you need to do is just select the data using your keyboard or a mouse. After highlighting the data, under the Home tab, at the right hand side, here you will see the option of Find and Select. Click on this small downward triangle and click Go to Special. Now because we want to select only blank rows to delete them, we will select here blanks. So what happens is when you select this option, only the blank cells in between will be selected. After selecting blanks, just click on OK. And as you can see, only the alternate blank rows are selected. Now to delete them, under the Home tab, you will see the option of Delete. Click on the small downward triangle and select the option Delete Cell. After selecting, you will see this window. Now because we want this number to shift upside and form a continuous data, we will select here the option of Shift Cells Up. After selecting this option, clicking on OK will delete alternate blank rows in Excel, forming a continuous data. If you want to learn Excel quickly, check out this playlist. Click on that like button, comment below and let me know if this video solved to your problem. See you again in the next one.